sitting on the floor. Wrong issue, need to find the door. Wrong issue, wrong issue. Stage 5 and I see it. The spine facing out. Reach through the darkness, no room for doubt. Turn it around slowly. Please let this be right. Issue 2 at last. End of the night. Issue 1 again, of course it is. Final stage cleared now, bass going to blow. Grassy field waiting, nowhere left to go. Power is fading, light getting thin. She walks toward me slowly, where have you been? She is lovely, she is kind, she is not what I had in mind. Final wrong issue, but she will do fine. Wrong issue, she is genuinely kind. I appreciate her, I really do. Wrong issue, she is not issue 2. Fade away slowly, feel turning gray. She waves goodbye gently. I wave back and say it was worth it. Almost, mostly, kind of. I'm going to need a body.